Hello! We are starting things off a little up close and personal because I needed to turn my camera on. But now that it's on, I can step back, we can get some personal space between us and get things started. Hello, my name is Cheyenne and welcome to my little corner of the internet. I like to call it Shyland, patent pending, and I think it's a pretty wonderful, amazing place to be, but I could be just a little bit biased on that count. Today I wanted to take some time to talk with you about Perfectly Posh. I recently signed up to become an independent consultant with them and I could not be more excited to start my adventure, my journey with them, and to share Posh with all of you. Now some of you may be wondering, what is Perfectly Posh? What is she talking about? Let me tell you. Perfectly Posh is a company that makes naturally based pampering products made in the USA with the best ingredients on earth because you're worth it. That's a company I can completely stand behind. I can totally stand behind a company that encourages you to pamper yourself. We are busy people. We are busy taking care of everybody else, making sure that everybody has everything that they need. But how often are we taking the time to take care of ourselves? Now, it took me a long time to not feel guilty about carving out some me time, for locking myself in the bathroom and taking a nice long soak in the tub with a little bath fizzy, reading a book, or binge watching YouTube, or RuPaul's Drag Race, whatever, and to acknowledge that I need this. I need this to rejuvenate, to refill my love cup so that I have something to give to others. If we deplete ourselves, if we've got nothing left to give, we've got nothing left to give. And Perfectly Posh, they make it so that even if you only have a little bit of time, you have these products where you can use them and you can feel pampered because they are good products. Let's talk some about the products. They are simple, gentle, and effective. They are full of simple, clean, and wonderful plants, butters, and oils. I'm a little bit hungry now, but that's okay. I'll talk to you guys and then I'll go eat plants, butters, and oils. And anyway, the products, again, they're naturally based. These are products that are good for your skin. I'm a hairstylist and I've been working in the beauty industry since the dawn of time. And I see what a difference that natural ingredients make in your hair care, your skin care, your body care. I know personally when I nourish myself with natural ingredients inside and out, I feel better. My skin feels better. Right now I got this horrible little rash thing going on because I used a product that wasn't good for me, that was full of chemicals, and my body's like, what are you doing? No, I don't like this. We can't do this. Where's my natural stuff? I want natural skincare. And so, you know what? I'm going to need to give it natural skincare. And when I do, it loves it. And it says, thank you. Can I have some more? It's like a scene out of Oliver Twist, and I love it. Also might be my alter ego or my split personality talking to me and not my skin, but that's a video for another day. So, we've got natural ingredients in our wonderful, naturally based pampering products. What else I love about this is the products are affordable. Now, a lot of times when you get that natural ingredients in a product, it's going to cost you. And I love that I found a company where I don't have to give them an arm or a leg or sell my firstborn child or my soul in order to afford these products. All the products in their core catalog are under $25, and that's pretty amazing for this kind of product. You can also sign up for their perk program, and that is wonderful. You get rewards, you get perk points for the products that you buy. And then you can, change them in for free product. And that's amazing. I love a company that gives a good reward program. Who doesn't? Who doesn't like free stuff? Speaking of free stuff, they also allow you to kind of make your own bundles. So in your order, if you buy 5 products, you get the 6th for free, as long as it's a regularly priced catalog product and it's over $5. So really, that just eliminates the lip balms. But everything else in that core catalog you can put together, and then you can get one free. And you also get perks. So that is wonderful. I love that. Now, you are going to have to pay for shipping from this company because it is online and direct sales. So you don't have to worry about ever paying more than $5.99 for your shipping. And I love that because sometimes if you're like me and you're a product junkie and you need to have all the posh, then that can get pretty pricey when it comes to shipping. I don't have to worry about that. I can get all the posh. You can get all the posh, and you're only going to pay $5.99 for shipping. Now, I also love the names of these products. They are fun names. So you've got good skincare, and you've got fun names, and that is Perfectly Posh. And I love that. I love that I can pick up my face wash and read, I'm using the egg on your face face wash. And that's amazing. I'm using the That's Cute face wash. I'm using, let me find one of the names of the masks because those are pretty funny too. I can use Cackle Spackle face mask. Yes! It's fun. It's funny. And I love products that I can look at and they put a smile on my face and I have that little hee moment and I'm giggling about it. Like, it makes me happy. It sets me up to start my day off right, end my day fine, and if I'm using something in between, that's wonderful too. They have a big fat yummy hand cream called Hot Mess. So if I'm having a bad day and I'm feeling like, oh my God, there's so much going on, I can pull out my Hot Mess big fat yummy hand cream. I can look at it and be like, yep, I am such a hot mess today, and laugh about it and then move on with my life. You know, it sets me up for a better mood, a better time. So, all right, let me grab my little cheat sheet here because I'm going to read you off everything that is not in the products. So these are things that you will not find in the ingredient list, and it's wonderful. There is no petroleum-derived ingredients. There are no parabens or paraffins. There is no sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate. For those of you that don't know, those are the cleansing agents. Tends to be the things that give like your cleansers, like their bubbles, their foam. They are harsh. These are two of the harshest cleansers out there. So it's nice that you don't have that in there. Anything with sulfate in the name, that's a cleanser. So that's what it means when you have sulfate-free products. They are gentler cleansers. They're not harsh. They're not going to strip. It's wonderful. All right, there's also no lanolin, gelatin, soy fillers, phthalates, talc, or tallow. These are all things that you don't want in your skincare. It's not going to be good for you, for your body, nothing. And if you are vegan, you certainly don't want tallow because it's rendered animal fat. Ugh. All right, so these are the things that you can find. These are the ingredients that they use instead of all of that icky stuff. Cold cleaned butters. So you're talking your shea, your cocoa, your mango butters. I love them all. They are all fantastic. I have skin that is drier than the Sahara Desert at high noon. So having these rich butters, I'm all about that. Yes, give me some more. All right, they used pressed oils, olive, sunflower, and almond oil. These are oils that are good for your skin. There are a lot of benefits to using these types of oils. All right, there's also natural fragrances. And I love a good natural fragrance. I am very sensitive to smells. So having something that's overly chemical doesn't work for me. I don't like it. It gives me a headache. So give me some natural fragrance. And I'm sure that the rest of the world will thank you for using natural fragrance as well, because I know I'm not the only one sensitive to smells. All right, they also use kaolin and other natural clays. Their face masks are to die for. They are wonderful, and I'm sure that in the future we are going to be going over all of them because I love a good face mask. They also use milk, honey, and beeswax. Again, things that are good for you, that nourish your skin in such a wonderful manner. They also use activated charcoal, palm and coconut oils, and different like fruit extracts, flower and nut extracts. Like, it's wonderful. This is totally a list that I would do. Like, if I could make my own skincare and body care and like actually knew what I was doing because I, understood chemistry better, then this is what I would be making my skincare out of. So yes, I'm going to love this company, and I hope that you are going to love it with me. Now, if you want to purchase products from me, if you want free samples, then go ahead and hit me up. Contact me, leave a comment, we'll get together, we'll talk about it, and I will send you samples. I need to get posh on you. You're gonna love it. Now, there's other things that you can do. The link to my online store is going to be in the description bar, along with how to get on my Facebook page and follow me there. And I have a VIP Facebook group that I'm going to do a lot of live things with. So you can go ahead and join up with that, and we can go on this posh adventure and posh every day and self-care Saturday together. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and leave me a comment. And until next time, happy poshing. Bye.